If you're deciding between an ultrasonic sensor and a laser sensor for your application, here are some factors to consider. With materials like fabric, ultrasonic sensors struggle. The fabric absorbs the sound wave, and you lose reliable distance data. Laser sensors read it cleanly. What if your application is to count water bottles on a conveyor? Laser sensors can't detect clear plastic, but ultrasonic sensors pick it up right away. With curved surfaces, like this roll of tape, ultrasonic sensors easily pick it up, while the laser is scattered by the curvature of the roll. If your part is angled and flat, both have problems, but for different reasons. Ultrasonic sensors lose the return because the sound reflects off-axis. Laser sensors may recover depending on sensor position. To solve this, you can remount the sensor at an angle that gets the most signal back to your sensor. The decision rule. If your application involves soft or fabric materials, use a laser sensor. If you're dealing with a curved, cylindrical, or irregular surfaces, use ultrasonic. If you have angled flat parts, test before you commit. If you're not sure which sensor best fits your application, contact our free tech support or visit us at AutomationDirect.com.